Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing an Among Us crewmate with the bat wings hat that came out for Halloween. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you want to see more Among Us drawing tutorials, please check out the links in the description box below, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing his face shield. Draw a horizontal line for the top and curve it downwards on the right. On the left side, draw a line down and curve it inwards. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Next, let's draw the top of the head. Draw a line across and then curve it down to the face shield. Now draw the left side of the body by continuing the line straight downwards. Draw the other side of the body now. Starting from under the face shield on the right, draw a line down and curve it in. Draw a rounded rectangular U shape for the leg and connect it to the side of the body. Draw the other leg with the same shape, but continue it slightly higher. Draw a curved line here for the bottom of the body. Next, draw a rounded rectangular shape on his back for the backpack. Now let's draw the bat wings. Let's start with the right side. Draw a curved line on the top right and attach it to the side of the head. Draw a curved line up and out here. Draw a curved line down, then another curved line at an angle inwards, and lastly, a third curved line to close off. From the top point of the wing, draw curved lines to each point of the wing. That's it for this wing. You can do the same on the other side, but start slightly in on the head. And that's it for this Batman version of the Among Us crewmate. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.